Hi there, Natalie here with Akliz hosting. Say you have a handful of mods or your very own custom mod pack that you want to put on a server. With our Forge server options, you'll be able to do that quick and easy to get started. This option also works for mod packs that do not have server files. With our preloaded Forge servers, we have everything you'll need outside of your mods. First, let's create our Forge server. You'll want to select Minecraft, and then search for Forge. You'll want to make sure you collect on the Forge server for advanced users. Once you have your version selected, your friendly address filled out, and your memory allocated, go ahead and install. Once you create your server, you will want to go into Manage Server so we could get the FTP information so we can begin the upload process directly to your server. You can find your FTP information in the top right up here or on the left hand side over here. Once you have your FTP information, you'll want to plug it directly into your FTP client. For this demo, I am using FileZilla. For a full in-depth FTP tutorial, please click on the link down below. Here I have a folder filled with mods that I want to upload to my server. You'll want to navigate to the mods folder within your FTP client. Then you'll want to select all of your mods and drag and drop them directly into your FTP mods folder. One of the things you'll want to check in your mods is if there's any client-side. Normally client-side mods will have changes to graphics, sounds, and the user interface. Most mods will say in their information if they're client-side, but not always. Additional things you may want to upload for your custom mod packs includes these folders: config, cube.js, library, local, resources, and scripts. Once your mods have fully uploaded, double check in your files and then click start. While your server finishes loading, one of the things you can also do is create a custom profile within CurseForge itself. For this, you'll need CurseForge open. Click create a new profile. Select the version of Minecraft you want. And then select the same version of Forge that you have installed on the server. Once you create your profile, you should be able to right-click and go to Open Folder. In there, you should be able to click on the Mods folder, and then take your original folder of mods and drag and drop into there. For an easy distribution for you and your friends to play on the server, you can go directly into your mod pack and click on the Export Profile. In here, you'd be able to select the mods and any config folders or any other folders that you've made additional changes to. That way you could distribute it amongst your friends or community to play on the server. This will create a zip file for your friends to import directly into CurseForge, and it will automatically download all the mods for them. Say your server doesn't start. One of the ways that you can assess what happened is by going into your crash reports folder. This will give us a guide to see what could be going wrong. So here we have a mod failing to load, and it looks like it's a part of supplementaries because Salim is not installed. A lot of mods do require additional mods to go with it. When adding mods to your server, you may want to check the mod description to see if they need any additional mods to go with it. Another reason why your server could fail to load is due to client-side mods like I had mentioned before. So I tried to install Better F3 onto the server, and as you can see, it attempted to load client-side resources which are not on the server, and it errors out due to being on a dedicated server. This would need to be removed in order for your server to properly start. Hopefully you found this tutorial helpful, and as always, if you have any questions or concerns about your server, please contact our support. Thanks!